Ito pala yung kasunod ng video na in-upload natin kanina, no? Na si Turi ay bakit nandoon. Ito pala ay sinusundo niya si Attorney Lopez para ibalik at dalhin sa ibang yan guys. Ito po, ito mapapanood natin, no? Kung gaano nangilig sa takot at talagang napayakap kay Inday Sara Duterte nang makita si General Torre. So itong si General Torre pala, ito pala ang purpose niya kung bakit siya inandito, upang ilipat si Attorney Lopez sa ibang ospital ba o kung saan dadalhin. So panoorin po natin. Talagang napakahigpit ng hawak ni Attorney Lopez kay Inday Sara na ang laging binabanggit at sinasambit huwag siyang iwanan. So yun guys, panoorin natin.
Ano gusto niyo ba?
Yes, takot ni Attorney Lopez dito kay General Torre.
Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
Ito may assistant niyo siya.
Kinlose nila sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw ba talaga
Pakikunod ka siya yung beside siya.
yung pambilis niyo? Red light.
Beside siya. Mali mo kami mag-request na cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general
Ano?
cameras.
Ito? Palapitin ang mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo ang media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang sabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang
ng
lang, para
camera.
makita ng camera. Hindi lang ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veterans Bank. Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez will be examined by the physicians and cleared to Medical Center Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. From CBP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SIOD Remulla. Sabi niya SIOD Remulla.
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
Hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torres from SIOD John Vic Remulla, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torres, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physician during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Beto de la Rosa, Senator Annie Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SIOD, John Vic Remulla. Ma'am, assure John.
I don't need your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. first fruit.
Hindi nga iniwan ni Inday
Dito,
Sara.
maraming witness, like, maraming witness. Dito naman sasakay ka naman sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag
VP.
sila siya, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am. Sure yan, Nick, di ba? Yes, promise. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padala.
Si VP, baka ma'am, paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang magalala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Salamat eh.
Lalay. Tira. Bagay.